Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees. Ditch the traditional grill and discover fun new ways to enjoy your summer cookouts. Cuisinart, savor the good life.
Now you can enjoy gourmet grilling flavor outdoors with the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill, the perfect outdoor grill for condos, apartments, small patios, and other places where gas and charcoal grills are not permitted. This high-performance grill is compact yet incredibly powerful. The 1500-watt grilling element heats up very fast, so you're ready to start grilling right away. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill provides ample cooking space for the entire family. The cooking grate is large enough to cook 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or even over 4 pounds of fish. Enough food to satisfy even the hungriest of crews. And when you're done cooking, the Cuisinart Electric Grill stores away neatly for easy indoor or outdoor storage. Now you can grill like a gourmet chef without having to be in a gourmet kitchen. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill. Real outdoor grilled flavor from an electric grill.
How many amazing features did we manage to fit inside the T-fal OptiGrill? Let's take a closer look. 6 different automatic cooking programs. Just select hamburger, poultry, sandwich, pork, red meat, or seafood to grill nearly anything to absolute perfection with little work from you. And don't forget, use any of the automatic programs with the snowflake button to cook directly from frozen. Like your steak a little more rare than the rest of the family? Handy color codes make it easy to pull individual servings off when they've reached the desired doneness. Yellow for rare, orange for medium, and red for well done. Automated sensors know exactly how thick your food is and adjust cooking time based on size, ensuring each meal is cooked to absolute perfection every single time. Want to make something that's not on the list like grilled vegetables? Set the OptiGrill to manual mode and get creative. Beautiful grill marks show the sear that locks in moisture, keeping your meats tender and juicy, all while fat drains away into the drip tray. No additional oils are required for cooking, so you'll eat healthier with the OptiGrill without any extra effort. It's so easy, it's completely foolproof. The OptiGrill's non-stick removable grill plates make cleanup a snap. Wait until they're cool, then rinse with water or wipe down with a damp cloth. They'll even fit right into your dishwasher. And since they're made by T-fal, you'll get the quality construction materials you've come to expect. So never burn or waste a steak again. Get perfectly grilled, healthier, tastier meals with the T-fal OptiGrill.
This is the Smokeless Indoor Grill, the latest innovation from Philips, the global leader in kitchen appliances that brings the best of the outdoors inside. At the flip of a switch, you can have authentic grilled flavor and taste right in your own kitchen. The secret is Philips' innovation of dual infrared heaters on both sides of the grill that stay at a perfect temperature of 446 degrees, combined with concave reflectors that focus heat evenly across the entire grill, even at the edges. So there are never any hot spots, no flare-ups, just consistent temperature and even browning across the entire surface of the food. And here's why you can cook inside with virtually no smoke. Below the heating element is an always cool drip tray. When oil, fat, and grease drip down, it doesn't hit a hot surface that would normally cause it to splatter, smoke, and smell. Instead, it is captured below the heat, so there's virtually no smoke. Just true grilling inside that delivers healthy, delicious, perfectly grilled food every time, just without the smoke.